Okay, and it is really important that as parents po, tinitrain natin yung mga anak natin to be better. We push them to be the better versions of themselves. Kindergarten. With that, may we call on our school principal, Mr. John Bradley Gomez, our elementary department head, Ms. Rose Abinohar, and definitely not the least, our school president, Mr. Laujoy Abadiano, to present the awards. May you please come up on stage. All right, let us begin the academic and behavioral awards for pre-kindergarten, starting with Compassion, Stephen Dave B. Stephen Dave will receive the Early Bird Award. Stephen Dave, may you please come on stage with your parent, please? Early Bird Award is given to a student who attended class early or on time. Once again, Compassion, Stephen Dave B., our Early Bird Awardee.
Bibidyo.
Thank you very much for the...
Next up, we
Hindi
have
nagchat-chat.
Morelia Zep Prime B. Zep Prime will receive the Friendship Award. This award is given to a student who is very entertaining to the people around him. Aside from this, Zep Prime will also receive the Little Star Award. This award is given to a student who shows exemplary talent, especially in singing and in acting. Once again, Morelia Zep Prime Team. Manuel Keisha File L. Keisha will receive the Eager Beaver Award. Our next awardee, De La Cruz Clarence Ear A. Clarence Ear will receive the Early Bird Award. following awards: Outstanding in Reading in Filipino, Outstanding in Science, Outstanding in Filipino, and Outstanding in Arts. Vocales, Nino Durandi with honors.
Awardees, parents, teachers, and guests, isang mapagpalang umaga po sa ating lahat. I would like to take this opportunity since it is very occasional to talk with the students together with the parents. Minsan parents lang, madalas students ang nakakausap ko. But very seldom na both ay nandito. Kung hindi recognition day, graduation day na tayo nagkakasama-sama. Okay lang naman yun, di ba? As we come to the end of this special recognition day, I want to take a moment to reflect on the achievements and efforts we have celebrated today. It has been a joyous occasion, filled with pride and excitement, as we recognize the hard work, dedication, and accomplishments of our students. Yung iba sa atin masayang-masaya kasi hakot awards. Yung iba, first time makakakuha ng award sa recognition day. Yung iba naman, medyo disappointed dahil may certain expectations sila sa sarili. I want to tell everyone that your feelings are all valid. And it's okay. But one thing that we should know, that actions are more important than reactions. Kung nadi-disappoint ka today, what will you do to do better? Kung first time mo na magkaroon ng award, what will be your course of action to have a second, third, or even 10th award? Kung hakot award ka today, what will you do to be better? Your reactions might be temporary, but your actions will determine your future.